Good afternoon. Good afternoon. And welcome to Porcupine Stand here on YouTube with Selbit. Well, you can say the nature say, you know, about trepa, ashen sunani, and ya pen semwa, putium, and I de baba somo, and semwa, a CPC te fa Asante Kotoko, and you can say anopana, be see a via ani abon bede, na area baba som. Well, we're going to talk about Asante Kotoko versus Berekum Chelsea matters arising. And now I made a video of the current state of the Golden City Park Betremo on my previous video. You get a bit of it. Well, remember 30 seconds of it in today's video for you to see the current state of the Berekum Golden City Park. Now Oduro Sarfo Kasa today on our FM, and the voice is trending. I'm out for pick part of it, but I would want you to listen to that video, that audio, in an interview on your FM. Now, this is what I want you to drop your comment. Most of the Kotoko fans to be started church said the supporters of Asante Kotoko should boycott the Berekum Chelsea game. After the interview of Oduro Sarfo, said there's no need for them to go and pay money to Berekum Chelsea. I'm explaining why the game is not on TV. Why we a journalist, I won't even be a whole lot of issues, no kind, but I want you to listen to it. The part where I say Kotoko is no big club and all that, I want you to listen to the word and how or the tone, anyhow we'll put through the message across. Then you drop your comment in the evening. We'll take our time and digest the issue of whether it's a disrespect and our opinion disrespecting Kotoko or not. I want to keep my opinion to myself. But you drop your comment. ABC and Kotoko supporters and go ahead game no Berekum. ABC and Kotoko cry the business they do with Berekum Chelsea or Munchaso. Don't forget he's the CEO of Berekum Chelsea. ABC or Munchaso. ABC say he must come back and apologize immediately because in some more kind of no say. I would want you to listen to it. But before that, Asante Kotoko officially and I published a statement on a smart Abdul Hamid. Left back for Asante Kotoko. Well, two and I said, boy, and I pick an injury. And will be here surgery. And from what is coming in, he'll be out for a long time. But Asante Kotoko, the statement about to clarify the issue. And this is it. The club medical team, upon arriving in Kumasi, the first part of the statement talk about the fact that boy and pick a foot injury and will undergo a successful surgery. After the injury of Peki against Young Apostles. Yes, I catch him. Say Prane seeing the game at Kotoko boy against Young Apostles. So let me read the statement. The club's medical team upon arriving in Kumasi conducted further assessment on what initially looked like a minor knock. However, the text results indicated that the Smart, who has been a regular player in Ogum's team, in our last two games, would require surgery. The operation was done today, 27th September 2024, under the supervision of expert surgeons at the Konfanoti Teaching Hospital, and the left back is expected to be out for a period of 6 weeks. Okay. I know any deal. The tintin in Titi and Sabranten now chinsia. Next week October. That means there are 4 weeks. October 31st, so probably 5 weeks in October. You'll be out that period. Then the first week. So he's expected to come back middle of November. That is when a smart Abdul Hamid is expected to come back and come and play for Asante Kotoko. A big blow for Asante Kotoko, an important player. Emma Club and Asante Kotoko. Quite unfortunate. Say Abrantian Prebi say about Betone Aura Hosem. Let's wish him a speedy recovery. So far, so good. But like another American, there is a replacement in Patrick Esiedu. In TSN Esiedu Sunyamano. Ebit Miako. Monocrady or corn one Berekum Chelsea. Chelsea one free by a one or call. Intiebe coming in and once later. But he clearly, in the absence of a smart, there's Patrick Esiedu, and it's a good news. So far, it's a good news because initially it was scary, kakra. Na surgery, babe, when I said normally surgery there, He's a Nipan bear out for a long time, but based on this conversation, yes, why I said, but it won't take so much time. The good news when it comes to working for Kotoko is that medically, as compared to other clubs that play beat me a pra, then later you hear the news na me pra, or man hear me, a man take care of me. Now baba e diary any a chinese reni abasa baby abe febia. Almost everybody is talking about it. At Kotoko, clearly you get the feeling that when a player plays for Kotoko no pra, everything possible that the management or the leaders of Asante Kotoko can do to help the player recover, any medical attention necessary, which must Asante Kotoko hand over and they must such a person. So yes, speedy recovery to a smart. Yen to answer so Coach Ogumakasa, you be handle in your but young child ye be. Nana Oduro Sarfo is an ESCO member. Nana Oduro Sarfo is chief executive officer of Berekum Chelsea. Onyeni paketwa. Kotkoni Chelsea bought nyame adoma kwesiada. Now ochiwe nipa bebre abobo hu Asante Kotoko chita for #Kotoko Chelsea should be on TV. A whole lot of comments. And right, minyabutre breaking it down, man, because one, the initial conversation had to do with the pitch. Maybe a video of the Berekum pitch bechero. The other angle had to do with whether the media house responsible for the video and how the coverage or the ability to shoot a live program on Saturday and another one on Sunday. And also you said Division 1 on Betra, Internet one in Yanokre. So, and now your power feminine and no do Sarfo Kasai. Wakan Simpi pa na fa Kotoko. But in order not to preempt or judge anything, before me and Kasa made the assembly to Ghana, I said one Kasa obiti. I just want you to go and listen and follow the video and listen to Nana Oduro Sarfo on questions I bisa no yepa. And then after that, I won't talk now. Just drop your comment. I won't talk now. Whether you see it as an insult, whether you support the agenda that Nikwanso Kotoko stop what the score game, no? Whether you support the agenda that Kotoko should not do business with Berekum Chelsea, just listen to it and drop your comment. We'll come and handle this issue with David.
Sir, Bibi Abokode. Oh, now first, you started from issue about generated a lot of controversy about streaming of Momacha Money Kotoko Nyami Adoma Kusiada. Pacho, I want something says it like already GFO plans and come stream match no. And I say Kotoko Mumna on their own way try and come stream match no Nyami Kusiada.
The first is Chiamina. Now, the baby are way to free because match na ebon. That's not everything. Berekum Chelsea home match, home game. Yeah. But Berekum Chelsea no quite need to me. So the cameras, unless they have paid the requisite amount. I'm a GF more character, and they will present that character or pre-match technical meeting. And then maybe a 170 feet. So one of the jokes, one of the tricks on somebody match and attention bemudia. Sorry, we are not for it.
And a patrol like, is it one of those games now? Because I know say games in Pamba TV, no, I am not stream on your if anything stream on their Facebook. Say game we know. Is it a game that will be streamed on Facebook by ABI TV? So
no. You cannot take a camera there to take any picture until you have an authority from the GFA. You cannot take even a phone to do it. When they see it, they'll see it. TV rights. And you should respect that TV rights policy. You go and pay, and then go and do your work. And then so na obe match, obe match, no. Na obe yes na. GFA will punish that fellow. That's sanction. Will sanction that fellow because preventing somebody from coming to cover a match that the club has paid for. No, will be punished. I think they should do the right thing and then we go from there.
Okay, so me to say omo chokoma efifo no mo ye the necessary nyama so omo ya na efi ni mo kwan dia mo beti ase mo ni problem with.
They should go and pay the amount. The FA will give them a letter to show to the at the pre-matter meeting, and then they'll be allowed to do what they want to do.
Okay, and before I bet me, amount to involved in saying.
They know.
Oh, for the benefit of our listeners and
no, this is from Congo.
Okay. And one issue that as I saw about club lances in Chebiana, say or de Berekum Chelsea Kodoma because now Golden City Park and ready for league matches. And see, you say Busa because somebody say the game is not live because the pitch is not in good condition. Meaning, say what is asking me? You didn't say.
Is it an assumption or fact?
Assumption. I think it's a assumption.
Good. Berekum Chelsea called them because as at when GFA club licensing came there, that grass and green, but they fought to say grass and stabilize it. So go and see the approval that was given to them. It was a conditional approval.
Okay.
From a conditional approval, you can come back at any time to play a game there. And at the same time, when the conditional approval was given, they had a letter. I actually said they are coming to play their next home match because they were going to away, which is first 1 week, second 1 week, let's say 2 weeks. And between 2 weeks time, their grass will be okay. Grass it will be okay. And I okay. And then someone go ball. Now they go ball. I Kotoko.
Say,
we shouldn't be discussing these things. We should be looking at bigger picture, something that can benefit us, my brother.
Okay. Nana, yamba game no so far, meaning as this question me busau because we ESCO member. Don't you think say the game not being live, no? You know, a magnitude of the game, Kotoko Chelsea or Berekum. Unjin say any good shim by the ESCO and I say if you know not to.
I think we are not even being fair to ourselves. And is it the first time Berekum Chelsea are playing and it's on TV? And then who is the TV broadcaster as we speak? And then I don't know what it will cost for ESCO. And ESCO no, are we the cameraman? Competition department. And I actually said they want the match to come on at this center. And they have decided which TV station to cover a particular match. And that's me. Yeah, check KOTOKO TV is I never check KOTOKO. Yeah, check KOTOKO. Baba Yalakwa TV I said the show. So what is it? What are we afraid of KOTOKO? Why do we always make KOTOKO?
Nana, we are not speaking as Serbia match no any TV so baby. No, we are our angle and say it's a big game that the match no a fair. And he said games, at least reach a larger audience.
I believe you don't determine which match should be doing live. And then also, I hope I say the larger picture show match now. The larger picture also a stadium, no. How do you reconcile the two? I'm not TV, so the stadium will be full. What about that?
Oh. And just adeba kwa nkofo nso kan se mumum na
hello
nana ba to menka
me tonga pa
one concern aba na say issue enam abontia at least atia yebse busa na o clear ma ye say omo se Berekum Chelsea mum na ko pushi say ma yen show game no e wo TV so minim say obetime ya no de amaya
somebody, I'm the CEO of Berekum Chelsea Football Club. And I'm a director of Berekum Chelsea Football Club.
Yeah.
Any letter that goes to GFA, I'm signing. And I'm close to because I'm an ESCO member, I'm close to authority. I can put my hand in fire. So nobody have gone there to talk about such thing. Yeah, we are not that type of people. Moya and the hand dealing. If there is any, then I don't know. But we don't do it. We don't want it. If we have that authority, and would they take our match to Doma? Answer that question for me.
No.
Yes, I don't know. The maybe I'm say them. So just laugh at them and let us move on.
Now Sunday, what should you expect from Berekum Chelsea on Sunday against Kotoko?
We are playing Asante Kotoko. It's one of those league matches. Fourth week.
Fourth week, yeah.
It's just a league match. It's nothing so special. We are not playing Real Madrid. We are not playing Barcelona. We are playing Asante Kotoko. So it's nothing so special. We were third on the league log last year. And we are playing against a team that was somewhere 6th, 7th, 8th. So just look at it.
Now, sir, when you trash your team this year, because it looks like a different team from what.
Kotoko, me 2 players encore. What's so special about Kotoko? Kotoko, I thought players are all running the team. And I'm assuming team, what standing team war? And you are asking those questions. You see, you sometimes always make it Kotoko, and at the end, Kotoko. You make the supporters to expect so much from them. And we are not Kotoko. Let's do simplify things. Let us do it easy. Kotoko is like any of the Premier League clubs. Or to say young apostle. A young apostle about role of what?
Nana, they are about 23 or 24 league champions. So I mean, just say you can just compare them to their own. They are just
people live on past glories. People live on past glories. What's the last Kotoko cup? What's the last time?
3 seasons ago.
Oh, and is it not past glory?
Let's see. Nana, Sunday. We should expect a very good game, and you think Berekum Chelsea are winning?
Of course, yes. We welcome Kotoko to to Golden City Park. We assure them of good security, and we assure them, we embrace them. Because when we talk about officiating, we don't officiate, so we cannot even talk about fair officiating. But we expect to say we will both teams will have a good officiating, and then we'll be free injury, and then we see what we can do from there.
Nana, we dey just want to strike as Obusawa Samba Kwadaroma.
Nano.
Yes.
Na bibi aboko there. Okay. Nana, question I maybe say on say your league here boy with the opposition in Tebebo being an ESCO member and at the same time CEO for Berekum Chelsea. Yeah, now so a TV right deal be but you starting league no. You won't say if you not try to get some TV stations or more league matches in kakra. Clubs no air benefited from because mama clubs ni BB from this coverage TV stations ni a try to promote your league nana.
That's a good question. That's what I expect us to be talking about. Striker, some coffee. Now, so let's make one somewhere. Let's make be there for next Tuesday. Because Monday, Esco share was awesome. Esco share. And then after that meeting, we know what and what. We don't. We cannot put the chart, the chart in front of the horse. And you know, I can assure you, if you call me Tuesday, for Tuesday, I can give you any information you want to know about it. Okay. Yes. Because the clubs have to benefit.
Yes. Now we are quite worried about the current financial situation of clubs now. And
yes. Because clubs are
now me basic Kotoko so now me baby say based on the hype around this game. Any day Kosu. Other than the two teams in Kotoko Chelsea, Monka Mutrimbo, Money F in Kasa. say empo TV stations be na free. You can engage other TV stations that they can get sponsors. More clubs me no benefit.
Well, it is not the way you see it. Football, no. But the Carter football is the most disciplined organization in the world. And the catcher will say for 11 players or 11 players for 12 players in ball. And the catcher says 3 players, I want to mean some more than 3. So it's very disciplined. We have rules and regulations. Kotoko and Berekum Chelsea cannot change any rules and regulations or conventions within the convention that have agreed upon.
Hello? Hello?
Yeah, so we are white we are lawless, and I will need direction. You do everything, man. It's shamra,
okay. We have started season. Mama clubs in Naya said this is the situation. Say na F never handle matches. I have
once Miss Car first with you, and can you not be asking that questions again? They say, Mommy, Tuesday, I will give you details of whatever you want to do. Don't speculate.
Men speculate about me. Person me say, ESCO you say the highest decision making body of the Ghana Football Association.
And I say, give me Tuesday. Why are you forcing me? Can you force it out of my mouth?
I'm enforced. I just.
So why are you doing that?
Now me say me who say Timan can we and check clubs in TN.
What do you mean I interview? No. What do you mean I interview? No.
I'm in power.
So when I say give me Tuesday, give me Tuesday.
You yati one na. And a little correction. About your 200 Ghana cedi now cano. A 2 court games and answer to telecast games.
Did I mention any amount?
That is why I'm asking.
Did I mention any amount?
Mention amount say 200
I have not mentioned amount. Go back to your interview. I said he wanted me to say the amount, and I said the amount the public don't see amount maybe. If I saying class with the Anti Kotoko, they know how much to pay. I didn't say any amount.
Okay. Nti obi na de ba nti na maybe sell for that correction no.
You know the my answer.
Obese record 200 Ghana cedis. Yes sir.
Me say the club knows it.
Okay. Yate na no Oduro Sarfo, ESCO member. Yeah, that's a CEO Berekum Chelsea.
I also a striker or European FM. Santa Makola, but that's
Hey, Nana Oduro Sarfo Sibosu, Nana, Ebeda was it. Tina make a Zien who has some Yaba to us in Comono, I had there. You have to also has this year. Zien